Hey, it's Jackie and Eric here from Legacy Training Group in Top Gun.
Hey folks, Eric and Jackie here from Legacy Training Group located at Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Today we're going to talk about staging your trigger on your firearm. Good enough?
That was fantastic.
Hey Jackie, what was your, what were you going to say?
Absolutely nothing.
Folks, in the interest of safety, we're going to confirm that we are working with an unloaded firearm here. Jackie's already got her slide lock to the rear. I'm going to visually and physically inspect that chamber. That is an unloaded firearm. Jackie, if you would, go ahead and run your slide forward, please. Okay, so what we're talking about here is staging our trigger, or bringing it back to the wall, okay? I see a lot of people come in the range to get their, what I call trigger time in, and this will be their trigger pull. Jackie, if you would, straight from the front, just to the back in one motion is what we see, okay? There's a lot of room for error in that technique, folks. Now I'm going to have Jackie reset her firearm and we're going to run through it the proper way. Okay, so now Jackie's going to bring her trigger finger in and she's going to bring her trigger back to what we call the wall, to where she just meets that resistance, okay? Now she's going to go through her final trigger press with her sights on target and break that shot. Good job. Folks, this is the only moving part of the equation. If you can master this guy, your groups will come in dramatically.
Eric, is this not something obvious that everyone that shoots should know?
You would think so, but it is a common mistake that we see in the ranges every day.
It's a common mistake. Ranges every day.
That's what I said.
Every single day?
Every day.
Every day. People do it all.
Always! Thanks for watching, folks. If you like what you saw, please like and share and give us a thumbs up at the bottom.
And feel free to leave a comment about any new ideas that you'd like to see.
Just like Jamie and I were doing,
Yeah,
we did this
yeah.
before. So
It'll be quick.
Prettier than Jamie is, so you got that.
Well,
going.
Hey, it's Jackie and Eric
Nope,
here.
sorry.
Nope, okay, let's restart.
The red light's not on. Don't talk.
It is now. There we go. We need that.
I can't do it. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Eric, Jackie, you're just gonna move your mouth and
Yep.
I'll talk for you.
It'll be Eric's voice with my face.
Okay, yeah. So go ahead and do it.
yeah, that should work. It'll happen to her.
Hey,
But she's selling
Jackie and
over there.
Eric here
Yeah.
with the Legacy Training Group at Top Gun in Terre Haute, Indiana. Yeah.
Okay, so her and I are having a conversation.
Yeah, you can.
You tell me I was going to talk to her.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't agree.
You see that act like
Hey, don't check my contract here.